So today, we woke up early and we're going to clean the living room because it needs to be done. And I know my wife's dreading doing it because she's been working really hard raising our kids. And I want to do it for her. I want to surprise her. I feel good, a lot of energy this morning. And I'm going to clean the whole house. But I'm just going to show you guys the living room. And I'm going to get some brisket on the smoker at the same time so I can get dinner ready ahead of time. And just give her a break today. Let her relax. Come along with me. Yes, you're going to see the belly. I'm working on it, though. I've lost like 20 pounds in the last month. So I'm working really, really hard on it. The doctor actually just put me on a new weight loss medication, too. So be patient with me and don't be too picky.